Tammy came from a poor family. Her mom worked as a maid and her dad worked as a cashier. Neither of her parents went to college. Tammy and her parents shared a room for all of her life. She only had 10 pieces of clothing. The family hardly went out to eat. Tammy was made fun of a lot at school for being poor. He would bring really simple food to school like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or rice and cabbage. However, Tammy was pretty smart. She got accepted by a few colleges. She would be the first in her family to go to college. Tammy was excited for her first day of college. She didn't know what to expect. She knows she wanted to major in sociology, the study of human society. Her parents were proud that she was going to college. However, they were concerned about her future. They were aware that there weren't many jobs for sociology majors. They asked Tammy if she would consider something like accounting or biology. Tammy said she wouldn't be good at it or enjoy it. "I know you two want me to make a lot of money, but I would be really happy doing sociology," she said. Her parents said, "Okay." Tammy did very well in college. She was heavily involved on campus and volunteered at an orphanage nearby. She also did well in her classes, too. Her parents were happy that she stuck with sociology.